Hey everybody, it's Riz. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have something awesome I'm going to show you. I got one of the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Halloween makeup boxes and I'm so excited to go ahead and show you what is inside this box. Now, let me tell you what, when this launch happened, it happened at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here where I live, and it was on the webpage, and I originally got the Supreme box, but with multiple attempts of trying to get a box, it sold out so quickly I couldn't even get one. But I went ahead and I at least got to get the Deluxe. I'm so excited to go ahead and unbox this with you guys today. I heard they had a lot of good stuff in it, and a lot of the products are worth more than the actual box, which is pretty awesome. The Deluxe box actually cost $75. So it's a little bit cheaper than the Supreme, which I was trying to get, which was $160. And I think this is really cool. This is the first time I think we've ever done anything like this on my channel. So I'm going ahead and show you what is inside the box. And because it's getting close to Halloween, I figured, why not? Don't mind my look like I just rolled out of bed. I pretty much did. Without further ado, if you like this video, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. We got a Fortnite giveaway for a battle pass. So we still have that video coming. Still going to do that, so stay tuned. All right, so now let's get inside the box. There is 3 exclusive Halloween edition items. So things that you won't be able to get again, it's only in this box. So let's go ahead and open it up. Paper. Oh my God, this is really pretty. Okay. So the first thing that we have is called the Gloss. It's a glitter fancy extreme shine, juicy delicious, iconic on its own or over any lipstick. So I guess this is just a gloss. And the color is sequin glass. So let's go ahead and open this. This is so pretty, guys. Look at this color. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna swatch it because that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna swatch this stuff. It's just a nice gloss. We're gonna just do it right here. Oh, look at that. The pigment on this is very beautiful. Look at this. So glossy, so pretty. So I'm not a big gloss wearer, so this actually really intrigues me to want to wear it, to put it on. It is really pretty, and the packaging is gorgeous. Love it. I'm never disappointed with Jeffree Star packaging. He always comes out with really cool designs, really cool colors. You know, that's why I like his brand. The next thing we have, I've never owned one of these, but these is next thing in the box we get is a lip ammunition right here, and it's in this color, Snow Cone. It's like a little bullet. This is so cool. Little bullet. Here is the, look at that. That's really pretty. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and swatch this one. Right next to the gloss, we're gonna swatch this one. Here we go. Nice, look at that. I love that it looks like a bullet. This is really cool. But yeah, I love that it's like just light lime color. It's not too neon. It's really, really pretty. You know, it's simple everyday wear. So you could do like a dramatic eye or a smoky eye and put this on and it would look amazing. All right, the next thing we have is a liquid lip velour lipstick from him. And I love these lipsticks. It is in Bronze Blood, it's called. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Usually like a nude brown, like a dark pinks, reds kind of person. So this actually is gonna go good with my collection of stuff. Oh, look at that. That is so beautiful, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and take it out and we're going to swatch it. So we're gonna put it right here next to the lip ammunition. So we're gonna put it right here. Oh, dudes. I think this is going to be like my favorite and like constant wear of this Bronze Blood. I think I'm gonna wear this all the time. So look, I got 3 different shades. So we got the Velour Liquid Lip, which is the Bronze Blood, Snow Cone, which is lip ammunition, and then this nice really pinky like gloss. So far, I love everything that I've gotten. Let's move on to some more items. Okay, so I'm really excited. This next item in the box is one of the things I've been wanting to try from him. It is a liquid frost, and it's called Chill Zone. It has like little snowflakes on it. It looks really cool. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Oh, look at how beautiful this is. Chill Zone. Oh, so pretty. I love the packaging. I love pink and sparkles and everything else. So, oh, that was a big drop. That was my bad. That is like a huge, massive amount. You probably don't need that much. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna swatch it. Swatch it. Wow. Yeah, I put way too much. But look at that. Oh, look at that shine, that highlight. Okay. So moving right along, that was the 4 items so far in the box. So this is the Skin Frost, and I'm excited. This is a Halloween highlighter, and it is called Mysterious Frost. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. I've never used one of the powder highlighters, so to get a liquid and a powder, I am very excited. And look, even on the back of the cover, it says Mysterious Frost, and it has the black and orange, which, you know, was limited edition for Halloween. So I'm gonna open this up. Oh my gosh, like, you don't even understand this, dudes. Oh my gosh, you have to, look at this. What? It's like orange and black, and it is so Halloween. It is so pretty. I love this so much. Oh my gosh. All right, we're gonna go ahead and swatch this because this is gonna be just epic, I believe, epic. So I'm gonna take my pinky. Look at that. That is from swatching. We're gonna go ahead and put it right here. Wow, right next to the other one. Dudes. And that is so silky. It is so silky. I've never ever owned one of these. Never owned one of these highlighter palettes. Look at this though. Guys, I am just in heaven with it. I love it. It is so Halloweenish. Dudes, I think this is gonna be my favorite highlighter. The next item we have is in this bag, and I'm hoping this is what I think it is, because if it is, I'm gonna freak. And it is a mini Jawbreaker eyeshadow palette. Oh my God, dudes, I don't even think you understand. I've always wanted to try this. Eyeshadow Pressed Pigment Mini Breaker. So love the packaging. It looks just like a Jawbreaker. These are my favorite. Ooh, I'm gonna just drop it and break everything. Let's just do that. I am definitely gonna have to do a look for you guys, but look at this. So beautiful. So beautiful. The orange, the pink, the purple, the golds. You know, you could do a lot of makeup looks with this palette. This is really amazing. The next thing you have in here is another limited edition item, and I'm so happy I did not buy this. I almost bought the one in the blue and black on the website, but then I didn't because the boxes were going quickly, and I just wanted to get the box and order it before it was gone, because like I said, everything was selling out quickly. When that launch hit, everything was gone. This is the Jeffree Star, and I got it in extra large. This is the Can't Relate shirt. So his Halloween limited edition shirt. He's got one on his website that's blue and black. This one is limited edition, orange and black, dude. Orange and black. So look at this. Ah, can't relate. Can't. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful for this. Like, this is really what I wanted. So I'm really happy with this box. This is ridiculous. This is definitely worth more than what he gave it away for. So, and last but not least, this looks like one of his mirrors, and I wanted one of his star mirrors. So I am going to open this bad boy up. It is his iconic Jeffree Star mirror. I love this so much. Look at it. It is so beautiful. So unfortunately, they all sold out. So there is, except for the premium boxes, I'm pretty sure there's some premium boxes, which is the 4-item boxes that are on the webpage still that you could go ahead and get. But the deluxe and premium boxes are all sold out. Next week, he is launching another awesome collab he's done with one of my favorite other YouTubers, Shane Dawson. And I am so excited to buy his makeup stuff. Yes, I will be unboxing and showing you guys his new makeup line. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. Pray for me because I'm going to be battling everybody on that website just so I can get everything that I can on the makeup line. But yeah, he's got more makeup coming out. He's got more awesome surprises for everybody. I love Jeffree Star's cosmetics. I love everything about his makeup, and I love him in general. So if I got to meet him one day, that would be really awesome. But anyways, thank you for tuning in on this video today. If you like it, like I said, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. Give me 2 thumbs way up. Everything in the description box down below that you need to know about where to find me, how to contact me, and about giveaways. So definitely stay tuned for the giveaways because we give away a lot of things. Makeup, we give away a battle pass, like I said. So yeah, just stay tuned. So I'm gonna go, and I'll talk to y'all later in the next video. Bye.